Electrostatic attraction is an efficient way to reduce particulate organic matter in a soil sample. The main advantage of this method is that it requires minimal visual judgment and works on fine particles not visible to the eye. Removing undecomposed organic fragments improves accuracy and consistency in measuring long-term soil carbon storage.
After collecting soil samples to the desired depth, thoroughly dry them at 40 degrees Celsius. Sieve the soil through appropriate-sized soil sieves to obtain approximately 10 to 25 grams of sieved soil. Place the soil in a clean, dry metal or glass flat-bottomed pan that is large enough for the soil to be spread thin. Gently shake the pan horizontally to distribute the soil in as thin a layer as possible. Hold a 100 mm diameter glass or polystyrene petri dish top or bottom in one hand and vigorously rub the outer surface with a clean piece of nylon cloth, cotton cloth, or polystyrene foam several times. Perform the surface charging away from the sample. When finished, inspect the surface of the petri dish to make sure that it is clean. Lower the charged surface to within 0.5 to 2 centimeters above the soil and move it horizontally to pick up as much particulate material as possible. Attraction to the surface can be noted visually and audibly. When the petri dish no longer attracts additional particles, move the dish away from the sample. To clean the electrostatic surface, hold it over a collection.